Okay, we should be back. Oof, scared me for a second. Organizations, that's new, I suppose. Anyway, hi, welcome back. I have made some off-camera mining, let's say. I did a couple things. I forgot. Wait, what did I do again? Right. So what did I do since last time? I did a lot. Well, lot. I did a couple of things. First of all, my rig is kind of cleaner. Like, I didn't quite get to progress on it as much as I wanted to, but I did clean up a couple of things. First of all, now if we go on here, we can see that I have more custom properties. I would like to get this thing somewhere. This is fine, I'll just manage with like I did last time. I just need to set this up. Should have done that before, but oh well. I can't wait to go back and have my two monitors because oof. Okay, let's do that. That does this do this show? I mean, it's not a problem if they do. It's just funny, I suppose. You. Oh yeah, they do. Oops. Let's ignore these. Don't mind me. Just removing a couple unneeded things. Going to join your own stream? What? What is that? That's new. Okay, sure. Let's just go with that then, I suppose. Um, okay, let's close that. Be there. Open the moderation thing. I think. And nope, nope. There we go. Okay, so like I was saying, I did a couple driver things. First of all, since I have like multiple bone collections, I've made a toggle to like display and hide the deformation bones because I know it's like a simple character and stuff, but I do want to make a control rig, so I'll be doing that eventually. I've also made the toggle because right now, like if you've seen my previous streams, you know that I've made like two arm types for the for this character, and different arm types says different rigs also, because basically I have the complex arms, which are right there. I should be able to hide the simple arms. I go. These ones have hands, so they need a more complex rig, quote unquote. So now I have like a toggle to switch between the two. Woo, cool. It also toggles them in the render, so like obviously for us right now on the viewport it doesn't change anything, but like if I do a quick, where's the camera? Camera? Camera view? What do you look like? So that's what you look like, okay. Camera to view, to me a quick, like let's say I do this, unlock me this. So if I do a quick render, there is no light source. So right now we have the, oh, you don't see that, I just realized. Also, I need to, whoops, that's actually a good point. I need to hide this. I did not think about it. Anyway, point is, when I toggle it, it changes which arm is rendered, and also it changes which rig is shown. I've also, what did I do? What did I do? I forgot. Oh, right, for the sake of modification. What was that? I feel like something happened, but I'm not seeing anything. Am I? What was that about? It's telling me that. Weird. Not seeing anything. I don't know. That's weird. Anyway, I'm just gonna assume it was a bug or something. Um. What was I saying? Oh yes, because it is a rig, I might need to like work on both of them at the same time. So I do have a toggle to display both of the rigs. But that's about it. I'm going to hide the complex one back. I've also on the last streams I did like do a like under highlight line thingy. So I've like toggled these things. I didn't put that to the render. Oh no, I did include the render, but like it also hides the armature stuff. Well, and then I can like toggle them in the viewport with buttons because you can't like. I tried to have the viewport uh, thing like make it well driven by drivers I suppose, but like it didn't work, so I'm kind of just doing the rendered view. So I know it won't show on the stream, but like if I render it now, yeah, they are hidden. That's good. There's side tint on the glasses, but that's fine, I think. We do need light. I do not have a light. Can you please? Thank you. Also, I need to switch back my render engine to Eevee because that's what I will be rendering with. Where is the light? Oh, there is one. That's the default light. There's fucking fly going around. That's fine. What was that alert about? That's weird. Oh, I guess. Wait, does that work? Actually, I haven't checked. Because I'm trying something new. It seems to be working. I'm just gonna mute that real quick. No, not you. You. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it is. Nice. I've basically changed the whole way I'm doing my OBS setup in between the last streams and now. So before that, I was using Streamlabs, I want to say, and I did not like it for a couple of reasons. Mostly the obvious, like in your face, buy the premium version and stuff like that. And so I decided to just switch to using the apparently way more popular Stream Element, and I can now do multi-streaming. So this is also live on YouTube. I don't know if that will serve any purpose, but it is. So I do wish I could get this somewhere. I mean, I guess I can pop it, but like if I do that, then like the second I go into Blender, yeah. Slave docs, give me back this one. No, go back in there. Yes, okay. Show timestamps. Do I want that? Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, so I've had to set up that. I have to set my alerts back up and stuff like that. Was kind of wonky, but I think I made it work. Anyway, so now I was. Oof, it's hot in here. I was planning on working on the mouth. So, what I did, if I go back to Solid View right now for a sec, going to hide this since I'm not working on this. If I go into transparent view, kinda hard to see, but yeah, there's this thing. So like if I had this, Alt H, no, not Alt H, or Z, Alt Z, there you go. I have this like, yeah, no, it's a diffuse. It's a diffuse with a roughness of 0. Not that I think anything's changing when I do this. Yeah, we'll just say not doing changing anything. Anyway, point is, I have this black box thingy, which in Solid View is backface curled. I don't think it will matter anyway because I'm using a. Well, I'm going to be using a Boolean mask, kind of like what I did with the eyes. So yeah, I guess let's make that work. I need. Bring me back the body. There we go. Okay, so I guess start here then. Add me a cylinder. Want to say cylinder? Yeah, let's say cylinder. So we have the cylinder. Where is it? Oh, makes sense. We go 8. Do I want 8 or do I want less or more? Kinda want to go with an hexagon and then subdivide it. Does that make sense? So I got 4 more vertex, which makes it 10. Ah. Hmm. Yeah, let's try 10, I suppose. How does that look like? Hmm. Yeah, I guess that's kind of what I want. Let's shrink this and not forget to like RX90 I should be in global axis. I should be able to just like 0.1. Does that do anything? That kind of feels weird, doesn't it? That's kind of what I want though. Apply all transforms, so that's why it's there. Do I want to? Hmm. Yeah, I think this should be fine. It's not like I want to do like crazy. Worst case scenario, I can move the. Now that I think about it, I guess I don't have a main eye control thingy. Maybe I should get one just in case. Anyway. I want. Right, to make this a. Well, I guess it would be easier if I just merge these two, right? Like the inner mouth and the outer mouth, and the full body, I mean. So like if I do Control J, and then I do U, I go into modifiers, I go into armature, I go into Boolean difference with this thing. So now if I add the cylinder, I should have a hole. And yeah, it's just that the rim of the mouth is fucked up. But that's fine, I think. Can I just add the skin texture back in and go into modifier? Solver option, no. Oh, isn't there like a... Oh, does that... Does this... Does this solidifier not work the way I think it does? Hold up. Hmm. This is annoying then. That's fine. I think I can just do this. I mean, it's kind of the quick fix of the, but like it works in theory. If I do this, we should be good. No? Why aren't we good? I tell you, what does that look like? No, this one works. Okay, I don't know. Okay, so then same way as the eye, we just need to rig that. Maybe change the color of this one. Duplicate it. Yeah, it's barely any different, honestly. Guess call it like mouth. No, not mud. Mouth. And then I can just pick a. Oh, maybe something like that. Oh, we can see the neck inside. Oh, that's not pretty. Hmm. That's not great. That's not great at all. How can I fix that? If I do something like this... No, because like if I do that... Hmm. Oh, wait, no, I'm stupid. Easy fix. Think less dumb me. I just need to bloop, bloop, face. And then let's check that the normals are the correct ways. No, they're not. Because why would they be? Alt and flip, and then I can just shlook, shlook, shlook. That should be it, I think. And then delete faces. And then do this, do that. We do like something like, oh, well, that's kind of fucked up. That's kind of fucked up looking. Okay. Then like do something like that, I suppose. That kind of works. Yeah. Yeah. Then if I do that, there you go, no problem. See, we can't even see the difference. We can't see the difference. We can definitely. Oh, that's not normal though. Um, Oop, we saw nothing. Just kind of like I want to push this down a tiny bit. Yeah. Can you? Mm. You like not, please? Okay, the X thing is fine. Why is why are you in the phone now? That's what? Huh? How did that happen? If I should smooth you, what does that look like? Better, maybe? I don't know. There's this weird thing on there. That feels like some normal bullshit. Oh, no, it's because... Okay, I see. I do kind of wish I could just do... I don't know why I say kind of wish, because I can just do it. You know, like do this, and then SY0. There you go. And we have our mouth thingy, maybe. Okay. It's not the best looking thing. It really isn't, is it? Cylinder. Hello Vivi, how are you doing? How are you doing? Did you enjoy the movie last time? Do. You said you were watching Project Hail Mary. Toot 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 and toot. That's that. Should lesson guns. We like that. Should I do that for the eyes too? Maybe. Yeah. Just about to. You're watching it again? It's only been like what, 2 days? How was your weekend? It was fine. I got dragged around a lot, but it is what it is, I suppose. Yeah, no, it was fine. I, other than that, did I do anything in particular? Not really. Today I started walking again. Well, walking, that's a bit of an exaggeration, I suppose. I just like got to put my foot on the ground, so that's progress, I suppose. Not quite there yet, but it's progressing. We're getting there. I will be working again soon. I hope. Nice, don't rush yourself. Oh no, I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. I'm following what the doctor says. What's that called again? Like, I guess. Hmm. I'm gonna use Google Thread because this is one of the things that I do not know. Google Thread. Ah, forgot that I had that on. No, that. How is this thing called? Yeah, physiotherapist. Yeah, sure. Let me just hide that, and this is pretty much what I have right now. It's a work in progress, but it's coming along. I have rigged it quite a bit. Eh, cannot speak. Like I have my bones. I have my bones. They're not all working. Like some of them work. Like the arms work. I know that I had not like rigged the rest yet, but the bones are there. I just need to do it. The arms are the only one that are working actually. Wait, no, that's not true. The arms aren't the only one. The Oula. Okay, that's funny. Um, the face is in the progress of being made, so like I can move my eyes. I can move the eyes a bit. I can move the eyelids. I can move the eyebrows. I can do all sorts of stuff. Well, that might be a bit of a stretch. I did like some sorcery down there, which like I can like toggle to my complex arms. Let me just also toggle them in the viewports, which I can't automate. These ones are also rigged, I think. Yes, they are. Like I have hands if I want to. Hands optional. And yeah. Uh, maybe that depends on how much I can get it to work with other stuff. If I can get it to work with software like Warudo or what was the other one again? Vinyan? Was it Vinyan? I think it was Vinyan. Then maybe I will use this one for a while as an actual like VTuber model. But the problem comes in with comes with linking the mouth and eyes because I'm using some 3D modeling weirdness to make them work like the way they do, and I don't think this sort of function is compatible with these softwares. So the idea in the meantime was to basically pose this model in different poses, then take pictures of them, essentially like renders of these different poses, and then compile them into VideoTube to like have a slightly more complex PNG tuber. But eventually, and this is like couple months, perhaps years, depending on how long that take, I will hopefully have finished my not final version, but like my first like true 3D VTuber avatar, which is not this one. This is just a temporary one. Yeah, no, I have some stuff for the final one, but like, well, the final one, the true one, which I don't have on this computer, but I should have like something. Like if I go in there, I don't know what I have, but I have stuff. Oh yeah, no, I do have the this one. I do have this. That's not what I want though. I want this one. Hide the head. So you have this. Don't mind the low poly, but like I have that, and then I'm placing this thing into that thing, and then I'm doing a, and then I'm planning to add some other stuff onto it. I have a weird matcap going on. Oh, cool surrounded. Yeah, there is a lot more geometry in this thing. But yeah, I'm doing some. I I'm eventually going to have to stop procrastinating and work on this one, but for now I'm just doing the low poly one. And hopefully by the time that and hopefully by then I will be able to start making game streams again. Because right now my laptop isn't very powerful. It's having a little bit of trouble managing the stream and Blender, while my actual desktop PC is way more capable than this. I'm also planning on making like a background and stuff like that, but that's for way in the future. That's future me problem. But this sucks because like I broke my leg at a very inopportune time. Because like I had just ordered like finger tracking stuff, and I also have like full body tracking in my room and stuff like that, and I can't use them because they are out of range. So I'm just, you know, doing what I can. Um, yeah. Oh, yeah, mouth. I need to add the bones for the mouth. That's what I was doing. Also, give me back my cylinder. Yeah, dedication and patience. Yeah, well, it's just like something I do. I guess there is no. It's not so much patience. It's just like I want to do this cool thing. Well, I'm going to start working on it, and hopefully someday I'll finish it. But like I was showing Argon, I think that was his username. I have very bad memory. I have a lot of unfinished projects. Well, not necessarily unfinished, but like I have. Well, I showed it to you a couple months ago, like last month. But I have this Miku model that's not finished, but I need to. It's almost finished. I just need to rig it. But yeah, I'm very proud of this one actually. I did some pretty good work in modeling this one. I have I have this other model that I need to that at least is rigged. Like I can actually animate this thing, but I haven't done the textures, so they're just like basic colors for now, except the skin, which is slightly detailed. But yeah, no, there's this thing looks cool in this view. Looks cooler there. Where are my bones? I've, I've lost the bones. Where are the bones? Is that the bones? Yes, it is. So I have a lot of like 3D stuff. Yeah, One of the rare. Oh, Blender just died. Whoops. Blender, come back. Whoopsie. So like I was saying, I have this one, which is pretty much finished. Just needs to load the material. There we go. Have this little thing. It's like a little globe. I like it. It's cute. I'm gonna. So one of my, again, plans that I need to eventually start working on and finish, hopefully, is that on my background that I'm going to make for when I'm actually streaming and stuff. I want to have like shelves of tiny globes like this one, with them representing like different quote unquote universe for like the different games and stuff like that that I've played. And this is more or less a test run of what I could do with these globes. Yeah, no, I know. I This originally comes from a drawing that I made like while I was in a restaurant of all things, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to. This was on a piece of paper that I don't even remember what it was. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to make an actual drawing out of this, and then I remember, oh wait, I can't draw for shit, so I'm going to make a 3D version of it, and it's actually very cool. I really love this model. I'm just gonna switch in material preview for a sec. Like the little forest, the cabin. That sky is so good. Like I didn't really make the sky. Like this is from a YouTube tutorial, but I love that sky. That sky material is so good. But then I made the stars and moons and stuff like that. That's me. But yeah, no, that space thing is such a cool material, and it's crazy how well it works. Have I tried? No, because I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to draw. Well, I mean, I don't know how to draw. I I have drawn stuff before. I'm just not good at it. But I have made stuff. Open recent. What else do I have in there that's like unfinished stuff? What's that? That's just a cube. Okay. Why is that here? I don't know. This one, that's just a cube. That's nothing. Those are previous versions of the different thing. What? That's what? That's not a Miku. What the hell? Wait, what? Why did the thumbnail look like that? It's so cool how 3D it is on Blender. I mean, yeah, that's kind of like I mean, it is a 3D software. There are some people that actually like draw with Blender, and that's crazy. Because like while there is like tools to do it, I need to stop saying like so much. There is there are tools in Blender to actually draw. They're called like grease pencil. I have never really made those things work. You're supposed to be able to draw like if I'm going to edit mode. I think should be able to just. No, what is going on? I don't know. No, hold up. What? Okay, like if I let's just say I want to draw, so like I can make a curve kind of thing. Like oh, and then I can thicken it. I guess it's kind of weird. I don't know. It's kind it is kind of weird. Cyclic. I have no idea how the pencil work. It's so weird. Is that like no? Can make it like a square, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, I need to get back to you. Don't save. I haven't changed anything worth saving. Okay. So, so. Yeah. So this is basically how I'm doing like the eye thing also. Get back to work. Yeah. I didn't. Yeah, I do need to to go back to work if I want to finish this. Also, oh yeah, I actually can actually check that on my phone. It seems to be working pretty well. I've since the last stream, I have. Sorry for bothering you. You are not bothering me. It's me who's bothering myself by going into other stuff. But yeah, no. Since my last stream, I pretty much reworked my entire OBS setup. Because before that, I was using Streamlabs, and turns out I don't like Streamlabs. So I just reworked that earlier this afternoon. Before launching the stream, I reworked the chat box, the alert box also. Well, I pretty much just imported it into the new stuff I'm using, which is Stream Elements. And since I'm using Stream Elements, I can now do multi-platform streams. So this is like on Twitch and also on YouTube. I don't know if that serves any purpose, but it's there. So that's neat. But yeah, no, you're not bothering me. It's fun. It's like the fun part of streaming to get to chat with the people. Do. What the hell? My sources say yes. What? Oh, is that? There we go. Oh, I didn't. Would I better finish this month? So it both says my sources say yes. There we go. And the cat is back. Hello. My cat has joined. Yes, you did. Yes, you did join. Yes, you are. Hello. Can I help you? What are you doing? Do you just want pets? Do you just want eggs? Yeah. Oh yeah, just actually you're actually lucky because I just activated the that whole like chatbot well 2 hours ago. That wasn't there before. Now it is. But I need to go into edit mode. Then I need to switch back to you. I need to do this. Cursor to selected. Switch to you. Into edit mode. Shift A. What? What happened? No. What happened? Don't do that. Just go into the deformation. Like shutters and stuff. Yes, I should be able to do that. I haven't looked into how to do it yet, but I should be able to do that. Oof. I'm trying to move my leg. That stretches on the skin. Wow. I should maybe like put my foot down. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. It would be news to me if I knew what I was doing. Jade Ball says my source says yes. Yeah, I guess I should look into that at some point. Where is dashboard? There you are. Streaming tools. I mean, I'll look into it like really later. Modules maybe? I don't know. Live announcement when you go live. No, I guess that wouldn't be that. Chat alerts. Hype train. Chat comments maybe? I don't know. I don't know what that would be. Uh, anyway. Up, go back to you. No, to you. Shift A. There we go. That's kind of. Yeah, sure, whatever. Muted? No, I shouldn't be. Can you not hear me anymore? Wait, hold up. What? I shouldn't be muted. I didn't do anything. No, OBS is still picking up the audio. Shouldn't be. Can you hear me now? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me now, or? I shouldn't be. Shouldn't be, that's weird. Just gonna say that. I shouldn't be muted. I don't know. Why does this thing have a weird roll? Why do you have roll? Wait, I don't have roll. Wait, what? Why do they have roll without having roll? That's so weird. Sometimes Blender is sorcery. Can't hear you right now. That? Huh? How is that possible? Hold up. Let me do a quick juke. I don't know. Let me go there. Yeah, no, on my end it seems to be working. Like I'm looking on stream right now. Bleh. I have like Twitch open and I'm hearing myself. So that's weird. Are you sure you didn't? Oh, okay, can you hear me now? Okay, I don't know. That was weird. I don't know what happened there. Um, hmm, that's weird. This is odd. Do, 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 do. Up. Shift. I'm actually going to just Shift D. No. Edit. Shift D. Yeet, 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 yeet. In there, I think. Hopla. There you go. Then Shift. Cursor. Keep offset. Cursor. Keep offset. What? And why do you behave like that? What? This is so weird. What the hell? Cursor. Keep offset. Or is it because I... Oh, it's because I just did cursor. Okay, I see. I see. I'm going to do this actually. I prefer that. Do 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 do. Do do do. Hi, Ocarine. Tac. Section to cursor. This is the boring part. This is the boring part of me moving everything into place. Section to cursor. I will have to name all of them too. Yeah. No, that's not what I wanted to do. No, you. That works. Okay. This should be done. I'm still in the French keyboard. This is fine. Yeah, I have about 50 minutes left, I think, for the stream at least. Now that this is done, I need to rename them. So, def underscore lib underscore c underscore uc underscore there is no underscore. This is just uc. Uc. Ah, and Blender crashed again. Why? Why did that make it crash? I just tried to rename a bone. Why do you do this to me, Blender? I'm just trying to rename a bone. Okay. So def underscore lip underscore uc. Très, less. Give me that. F2, Control V, DC, less, Control V, U, L, 1. What was that? I don't know what that was. Okay. Up 1 underscore L, I think I'm just gonna do. U1 underscore L. And F2, U2 underscore L. And I guess I can delete these ones actually. Sub bones. And so same with these ones, you go down 1 underscore L and down 2 underscore L. And then I select these four, I go symmetrize, and there we go. That's good. Should be good enough. Should be able to. No, I need to doot doot doot. I need to select them all. Give me that other one. And then this one. Control P. Keep offset. Kinda looks ridiculous, but oh well. Oh, do I make a main mouth bone? I should make one. I should have made one for the eyes. I don't know why I didn't.